but it's so much harder than it sounds. I know it's closing if I just stand still, 'cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. 'Cause someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now, right now. Someone like you wouldn't take that. I don't even try, even try. I don't even try, even try. You said you leaving tomorrow at dawn. Ooh, and then you asked me if I would come along. I just can't seem to believe in the thought, but everyone says that it's obvious. Soon as I saw you, I knew it's never right now.